Alright guys, this is at Sports TV. We're here with the one and only, the leader. Now, the first question to you is now, just give me your initial reaction to the game.
Okay, look here. When you look at everything that these guys have gone through, to go out and perform like how they did, and let me tell you something, people might even go and look at why did Bailey come on. If you knew that he had an accident in the family and he had to leave and come back, to show the commitment that these guys have, and especially with the coach, and we look at the style of play that these guys have right now, there's a different feeling there. And with everything that these guys have been through, when people were sleeping in their beds Sunday morning, Monday morning, right, these guys were taking the plane to come back here, and with all of the problems with the JFF, they turned up tonight, right? So let me tell you something, from here on, the only way they can go is up, and I hope that the JFF does not. I hope it was a slip of the tongue when my crickets mentioned that they might be interviewing a new coach. Can't be, because Paul Hall must stay.
Listen, I agree with you 100%. In my opinion, this was the best performance I have ever seen from Jamaica thus far. From the World Cup campaign coming to now. Even the third goal, impressive build-up play, finished by them with Jamal Lowe. Very good football. And one more question I have to ask you. Now we play Mexico at home on Tuesday. Tell the people, where do we go from there?
Well, look here. One of the things we want to do, you know, people feel that when you don't turn up at the matches, is the JFF is fighting. The players want to see you out there. So the only way we can do it, the first time I've been to a match, I've seen so many black shirts and not yellow. Am I correct? You have on the wrong shirt though, boss.
No, man, what are you saying to me?
Okay, sorry.
What are you saying to me, man?
Okay. Anyway, let me tell you now. I want to see a sea of black for the next one. And I want all the YouTubers to get the message out there. Black was showing. Because normally you're going to see a whole heap of yellow. That's why Captain usually asks her. The leader and the team, everybody show the black, but we want it to show up. Right? Make them see it. And let me tell you, we want empty the grandstand. We want JFF see that the grandstand empty. We want everybody coming out of the bleachers, full of bleachers, full black. Right? Because we'll do this for the player them. And we'll look, enough is enough, JFF. Time for a change. And a change start.
One leader. Big up yourself.
Yes, people, you've heard it here from the leader himself. Come on, guys. Jamaica needs you. The boys need you. Come out on Tuesday in your full black supporting the boys.